In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Word. The Quick Access Toolbar, or CAT, is that small, always visible strip of icons that sits above the main ribbon by default. Think of it as your personal shortcut dock for the commands you use most. When you tailor it to your workflow, you save clicks, reduce mouse travel, and keep your focus on the document instead of hunting through tabs. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. The fastest way to add commands is right from the ribbon. When you spot a button you use all the time, like paste, print preview, or track changes, right-click it and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar. The command appears instantly on the CAT and is ready to use. This method is perfect for building your essentials on the fly while you work. If you want more control, use the Options menu. Go to File, then Options, and select Quick Access Toolbar. You'll see two columns. On the left, all available commands. On the right, the commands currently on your CAT. Change the Choose Commands from drop-down to browse beyond the standard tabs, including commands not on the ribbon. Select a command on the left and click Add to move it to your CAT. Use Remove to take items off, and the up and down arrows to reorder icons so your most used commands sit at the front. Click OK to save your changes. A few best practices can make your setup even better. To reduce mouse travel on large screens, right-click the CAT and choose Show below the ribbon. Consider adding powerful commands not in the ribbon, such as paste as plain text to strip formatting, align text center for vertical alignment inside a table cell, show all formatting marks to reveal hidden symbols, and close file for one-click document closing. Keep your CAT tidy and scannable by grouping related icons with separators. In the Options window, add the item named Separator wherever you want a visual divider. If you work across multiple computers or want a backup, use the Import, Export button at the bottom right of the CAT Options window to save your setup and bring it with you. Finally, less is more. Include only the commands you use multiple times per session. A clean, intentional CAT makes every task in Word faster and smoother. With these methods and tips, you'll have a personalized toolbar that supports the way you work. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.